When it comes to woodworking, choosing the right saw can make a world of difference. For both beginners and experienced craftsmen, selecting between a circular saw and a table saw can feel overwhelming. Both tools have unique benefits, and understanding their differences can help you make more precise cuts, complete projects faster, and work more efficiently. So, in this video, we're diving into the key differences between circular saws and table saws, examining their pros, cons, ideal uses, and what to consider when choosing one for your projects. Welcome to the History of Simple Things, where we delve into the fascinating history behind the little things that shape our world. Let's start with the circular saw, one of the most common and versatile power tools in woodworking. This handheld tool is portable, powerful, and straightforward, making it ideal for a variety of cutting tasks. The circular saw has a round, rotating blade that spins at high speeds to slice through materials. What sets it apart from other saws is its portability. Because it's handheld, you can take it directly to your workpiece rather than moving the workpiece to the saw. This mobility is especially useful on construction sites or when cutting large, immovable pieces of wood, sheet metal, or even concrete when using specialty blades. With different blade types, circular saws can handle materials beyond wood, like metal, plastic, and masonry, making it a versatile tool for many DIYers and contractors. The circular saw excels in making straight cuts, especially when used with a guide or rail system. A circular saw is great for rip cuts, cutting along the length of the wood grain, and cross cuts, cutting across the grain, and with the right technique and accessories, it can even make bevel cuts by adjusting the angle of the blade. However, while the circular saw offers precision, it does require a steady hand and some skill to make consistently straight cuts. This is because, unlike the table saw, the workpiece isn't held steady by a table or guide system. Instead, the user has to maintain control and keep the saw on track. For some, this learning curve might take time to master, but with practice, a circular saw can become a reliable and precise tool in your arsenal. Now, let's shift gears and look at the table saw. Unlike the circular saw, the table saw is a stationary tool where the cutting blade extends up from a flat, stable surface. Here, the user moves the workpiece towards the blade, which provides an added level of precision that the circular saw typically lacks. The table saw's fixed, sturdy surface and fence system make it ideal for accurate, repeatable cuts. This tool excels in making rip cuts, and it's the go-to choice for projects that require high accuracy and consistency. When working on cabinetry, furniture, or any project where precision is critical, a table saw can deliver consistent results with minimal room for error. One significant advantage of the table saw is its cutting capacity and power. With its larger motor and stable base, it can handle thicker and denser materials without bogging down, allowing it to cut hardwoods, large plywood sheets, and other tough materials smoothly. Table saws also offer versatility in cutting angles. Many models come with tilting blades that allow for angled cuts and bevels, just like a circular saw. But with the stability of a table platform, achieving clean, smooth edges is easier. The table saw is perfect for those who need to make repeated cuts quickly, as the fence and miter gauge help guide the workpiece with high precision. For production work or tasks that demand repeatability, the table saw is hard to beat. Despite these advantages, the table saw has its limitations. Portability is a major factor here. While some table saws come in compact job site versions that are easier to transport, they're still bulkier and less convenient to carry around compared to a handheld circular saw. If you're someone who works in various locations or has limited space, the table saw might be less practical. Additionally, table saws generally require more safety precautions. With the exposed blade constantly running when the machine is on, table saws are known for their risks. Kickback, which occurs when the workpiece catches on the blade and is forcefully thrown back at the user, is a primary hazard. This risk is lower in a circular saw since it's handheld, and the workpiece isn't directed into the blade with the same force. Thus, safety accessories like push sticks, riving knives, and blade guards are essential for safe operation on a table saw. So, which saw should you choose? It largely depends on the type of projects you'll be working on and your workspace. For those who do a lot of home improvement or DIY projects, a circular saw can be an excellent all-purpose tool. It's more budget-friendly than most table saws, offers flexibility in use, and can tackle a wide variety of materials and cuts. If you need a saw that you can grab and go, easily store and use in different locations, the circular saw is likely your best bet. It may take some practice to master straight and accurate cuts with a circular saw, but with the right technique and practice, it can perform impressively well. On the other hand, if you're setting up a more permanent woodworking space or workshop and prioritize precision and repeatability, a table saw could be worth the investment. It offers greater control over your cuts, supports larger workpieces, and can handle more demanding projects with ease. For furniture making, cabinetry, or any project that requires perfectly straight or angled cuts, the table saw will provide the accuracy that is hard to achieve with a handheld saw. While it's a more expensive and stationary tool, the table saw is invaluable for those who frequently need precise, repeatable cuts. To sum up, the main difference between a circular saw and a table saw comes down to portability versus precision. The circular saw is the go-to choice for versatility, portability, and ease of use on various job sites. It's ideal for anyone who needs to move around or cut materials that can't be easily brought to a stationary saw. The table saw, however, is the tool of choice for those needing pinpoint accuracy, repeatable cuts, and the ability to work with large and heavy materials. Each saw has a unique role, and many woodworkers find that having both tools provides the ultimate versatility for tackling any project that comes their way. If you're just starting and can only choose one saw, consider your primary needs, projects, and space. The circular saw is more budget-friendly and versatile, but if your projects require high precision and you have a dedicated workspace, the table saw may be the better option. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.